Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Gabby, and today what we'll be making is a galaxy jar. What you need is paint, a jar, water, a cotton ball, and glitter. So let's get started. Fill it with 1/3 of water, so let's do that. Here's my water jar. Then what you do is you add a little bit of paint. I'm going to start with purple. After you put paint, you shake it, the color paint that you put in it. This is what it looks like. Then you put the glitter. And the glitter I'm going to put in today is this silver. Now I'm done with glitter. Then you put more water. I'm going to add my second color, and my second color is red. I mean blue. And I'm going to add the blue. Oh my goodness. I kind of want to leave it like this, but I don't. Then you put the cotton in. And you stretch out the cotton and you get it to look like this. You stick it in there. And then you have something like this to push it down there. Then you put more cotton. Then when you're finished putting in the clouds, you're supposed to shake it. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna add more water. Once you fill it, you shake it. This is what it looks like when you're done. Subscribe to my channel, turn on those notifications, and give a huge thumbs up. Bye!